guide. I gotta take it back off and clean it. This is another fender I had in the other building. The original fender that was on there, if you look at it, we cleaned it and everything last minute. It is covered in dents like son of a bitch. It's all boogered up together. Somebody's welded it and cut it in half. This is all boogered as shit. So I got another fender I have in the other building that's really clean. It doesn't have any welds in it. It's got a little bit of dents across here. This bottom lip's good. It's just rolled in. I'm gonna strip it, run it on the English wheel, work these out, work the top out. All this is smooth. I'll make this piece here. It'll save a lot of time over that, and I'll just hang that up on the wall somewhere. Look at it, I've crunched it all through here and across the bottom, and I've wheeled through the middle, and I've taken a different wheel. I'm going to roll it more. This is a patch panel somebody did. We're going to cut it all off, but the original look of the car comes down and has a real nice roll to it. So that's what I'm putting into this. If you see what that looks like right now, this is the bottom. It's going to have a real nice pitch to it when I'm done. I just got to wheel out all my compressions. That right at the moment, and then I'm going to make this piece, and then I'm going to make the piece of the bottom of the fender on both sides. Is off of the green car that's up in Allentown, Pennsylvania. So I've done templates off of a couple different cars to be able to have a match to do everything. Just finaling up this piece, get ready to lay out and cut out the old area. Just laid some magnets up to set it in place. And you see it's all wheeled out, curved into its shape. It's real nice and easy. Goes right into place. And it's got a real nice radius curl to it, the back has, and it drops down real nice. So I just gotta finish it up, cut all that. Stinky ass shit. That'll fit right like that. Man, that feels nice. That's a real, oh, that's sweet. Even just not even tack or anything. That shape and that roll. Come on in real close right here where I'm holding it between my hands. That roll right there, and putting that roll and that contrast in it and shrinking it and compressing it, it really made the back end, it has that nice roll. Here, come over here on the side. You can really get a kind of look for it right here where it's just sitting there relaxed. Of how it sits right up in there. That's the way it'll look, right there. I'm about done for today, man. It's like 4:30, 5 o'clock. I'll be back out here tomorrow. Brought to you by Yeehaw Industries. Don't be hanging my wagon. Shit ends up making me sore shit in my head. Alright. Alright, here's the rear panel on the 37. I worked on it today, and it came out real nice. Got a real nice curve to it. Worked it all around. Got a real tight seam. The seam turned out really nice. Little hammer and dolly, and I'll walk through it and clean it all up. Alright, and that's the inside piece that I made real quick. Laid out a template and curved it. Wheeled it a little bit and rolled it into position. It snaps in right up underneath of that on the inside, and that's the second inner wall for the floor. So I'll probably work on that Monday. I've left this corner open and started working on a piece for this side, and I'm going to do the same and work on a piece for this side and continue the two ends. But that came out real nice. Alright, there's that. That's the inside piece. I don't know if you can see it that well. That was all shaped. I showed you the template laying out. And that's all in and ready to weld. It's been shaped and fitted real nice. And I'm going to pop it back out of the place. And I'm working on this piece right here. Well, not the inside piece where I just set my hand, but the scab piece. I'm going to cut it all down and work with it. Left over from doing the back. Alright.
Okay then.
Got to do some drying it in the morning, some final cleaning up on some of the weld and everything, just to show you the shape and how it meets the contour just right, and wrapped that piece around and wheeled it all into position, and then made this inner smaller piece. And you can see where the weld is in there. I got to finish up and clean up, but this came out real good, and that's where I welded the two together. And, I'll clean everything up. It's coming out real well. All right.